Yep, I'm gonna watch a Kathleen Turner film, so yeah. And here's a tape looks like of Undercover Blues. I'm gonna watch this funny film. That film is funny, so yeah. And was premiered on May 6th, 1995. Yeah. And one. Get ready and watch.
Continues its tribute to the golden age of Hollywood musicals in That's Entertainment 3, featuring musical scenes never before seen on the big screen, and special appearances by these legendary stars: June Allison, Sid Charisse, Lena Horne, Howard Keel, Gene Kelly, Ann Miller, Debbie Reynolds, Mickey Rooney, and Esther Williams. That's Entertainment 3. This film is not yet rated.
Coming soon to theater near you.
This afternoon, 2 armed guards were robbed of $1.5 million in rare coins.
Ray Gleason just committed the perfect crime.
Hi, Dad.
But he picked the wrong week to do it.
Bye, my baby. I miss you, sugar bunny.
I'm stuck with him, but we'll work around it. He's just a kid. He doesn't know what's going on here.
After a lifetime of being ignored, Timmy's finally found a way.
They're gone.
Oh, excuse me, guys.
To get some attention.
We better talk.
Giants game, the aquarium, the museum. What? You want to go to these places?
And I want you to take me. I want you to pretend you like having me around for the week. If you do a real good job, Dad, I'll tell you where the coins are.
I can't believe this. We're being blackmailed by an 11-year-old kid.
So how'd you get so smart, huh?
I don't know. It certainly doesn't run in the family.
Watch me now! MGM Pictures presents Macaulay Culkin, Ted Danson. You do the crime, you do the time. Getting even with Dad.
I guess your family was dysfunctional, too. That's what we are. You and me, we're dysfunctional.
You've been watching way too much Oprah.
Coming for Dad's Day, June '94.
Coming soon on video cassette.
I read somewhere that everybody on this planet is separated by only 6 other people. 6 degrees of separation. The President of the United States or gondolier in Venice just fill in the names.
Hello.
How everyone is a new door, opening into other worlds. These aren't just big names, it's anyone.
I've watched that film back in March 26, 2022. So, of what 6 Degrees of Separation back in
Everyone on this
March
planet
26,
is a trail of 6
2022.
people.
Yeah.
Hello.
6 degrees of separation between us and everyone else on this planet. It's a profound thought. How Paul found us.
I'm so sorry.
Why does it mean so much to you?
Oh, Glenn, how much of your life can you account for? Answer me! How much of your life?
What can I account for? All of it!
What did you want from us?
Everlasting friendship.
6 degrees.
Stockard Channing, Will Smith, Donald Sutherland, 6 Degrees of Separation, directed by Fred Skepsey.
You have to find the right 6 people to make the connection. 6 degrees.